strawberry mix pudding, it's so delicious. I think if we make it, it's going to be still more tastier, and I think you will also love it. When we make it, we will always know how the taste is going to be. So come, we'll all get together and make this pudding. See, cake crumb. I'll put it into the bowl, and biscuit crumb. All that we will put strawberry jam. All this we are going to put and mix it now. Okay. I'm going to put another small thing. Whipping cream. I'll put that also a little. I'll put a little now. Later balance we will put. Now I'll put a little. Mix it nicely. Now nicely press this into this. Nicely press into the bowl and keep it ready. Once we keep this ready, we will see what we are going to do now. So we will see how the custard is done. 3 cups of milk I have taken, or 1 pint milk. Either you take it 1 pint milk or 3 cups of milk we take it. Kept a little aside so that I can put the corn flour. 1, 2 and a half. She measured and kept it, so it's easy to. Along with that, I will put gelatin. 2 teaspoons of gelatin. Mix all that together and put it back into the milk. Stirring. We need the sugar. 60 gram sugar. Mix it nicely. Sugar was not enough, I'll put a little more. 2 egg yolks I will put into this. Mix the 2 egg yolks till it gets thicker. I'll put it into, keep it in a nice bowl. See, it's thickened now. Cool this a little. Cool this a little. Now the cake, biscuit, jam is already there. Now what we have to do is 2 egg whites into a bowl and beat it. Add the whipping cream. And nicely we beaten this, and whipping cream we have put 1 cup into that. Half a cup I have put into this. So we will see what we are going to do that. We'll use vanilla essence into the custard. All these together and beat it. Whenever I make something, I don't waste anything. Everything has to go together. Nicely mixed it. It's enough. Just to blend it, we have put that. Now what we are going to do is put the mixture. The balance whipping cream. Chocolate chips. I'm just putting a little chocolate chips on top. The decoration is going to be only chocolate chips. Finely chopped cashew nuts. Cooking chocolate grated. This is the decoration that we have done here. Strawberry jam with a little water, and we can spread it on this side. It will be nice to serve with strawberry jam. Melt the strawberry jam a little, put a little water, cream it. This is the pudding that we have done here for you. Cake, biscuit, jam and whipping cream a little, and then the custard whipping cream, and on top whipping cream, strawberry jam. It's so nice and delicious. You keep this in the fridge and serve it anytime. Try this out and see how I have made this. You have to taste it, then only you will know the taste of it. Try it out and see. Next episode, I'll come with another recipe. Till then, be waiting for me. I will show you another nice recipe next episode. Thank you for watching.